Good morning students. In this video we will be learning how do we apply compound angle formulae. More sums on those formulae we will be doing. So let us start now. First sum. If it is sin 20 cos 70 plus cos 20 sin 20, it is of which form? If I take 20 to be A, so it is sin A cos B plus 70 to be B plus cos B sin cos A sin B. So which formula is this for? This formula is for sin A plus B. So in place of A it is, so in place of A I have got 20. In place of B it is 70. So it becomes sin 90. So the answer is 1. Clear? Yeah, look at this sum now. It is of the form cos A into cos B. Let A to be 25, B to be 35. Minus sin A, sin B. This is formula for which one? This is a formula for cos A plus B. The signs are opposite in cos. So in place of A it is 25, in place of B it is 35. So it is cos 60, which is half. Clear? Now let us look at next sum. Now this is of which form? It is of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B, which is equal to tan A plus B. So 25 plus 20, which is equal to tan 45, that is equal to 1. Now next one in the same way, now it is of the form tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. It becomes tan A minus B. So 82 minus 52. So which is tan 30, which is 1 by root 3. Am I clear? All these were basic sums on those formulae. Yeah, in case if they are asking you to find the value of sin 75 without using the calculator, if they mentioned, then you need to go with this method. If directly if you put this in calculator, then also you get the answer, but they will mention it to show the methods, to show the process how you got the answer. So 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. So it becomes sin A plus B. So it becomes sin A cos B plus cos B is 30 plus cos A. Cos A is 45 sin 30. So it becomes sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is half. So it becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Mostly these kind of questions, they don't come. But for your information, I showed you how it is done. Generally calculator will be there. These questions won't come. More complicated ones comes. Let us see those kind of sums now. These kind of sums come. See here, if cos A minus B equal to 3 times cos A plus B, find the value of tan A tan B. So generally what is the first step that you do is expanding it. So cos A minus B becomes cos A cos B plus sin A sin B equal to 3 times of cos A plus B becomes cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Clear? We just expanded it. Now I want tan A tan B. So many videos, whenever we wanted tan, we divided by cos. Since tan A tan B I want, I need to divide by cos A cos B to each of it. Am I clear? This is not the new thing. We have been doing since AS level. Whenever I want tan, I divide by cos. If there are tan A, tan B, I will divide by cos A, cos B. So what do I get now? I get 1 plus tan A, tan B equal to 3 brackets 1 minus tan A, tan B. You want tan A, tan B, so make tan A, tan B the subject. So multiply here, how much does it come? 3 minus 3 tan A, tan B. All tan A, tan B terms one side. So this comes here, it becomes 4 tan A, tan B equal to send 1 to the other side, it becomes 3 minus 1, 2. So finally we got tan A, tan B to be send 4 to the other side, 2 by 4, which is half. Our sum is done. Am I clear? Okay, next sum. If 8 plus cosecant square theta equal to 6 cot theta, then value of tan theta equal to how much? So now we have the identity. Out of these two, I can't change cos. Cosecant square theta identity is what? Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So apply that over here. So it becomes 8 plus 1 plus cot square theta equal to 6 cot theta. So now bring all to one side. So cot square theta minus 6 cot theta plus 9 equal to 0. If you directly factorize, or shall I write those steps? If cot theta equal to x, I get x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 6 plus 9 equal to 0. If I put in the calculator or factorize, I get only one value for x, which is 3. That means cot theta equal to 3. If cot theta is 3, then tan theta will be how much? Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. So do reciprocal on both sides, tan theta equal to 1 by 3. This kind of sums you get.